Boys and girls, today is Thursday, 28th May 2020, and today you'll be working on your maths, social studies, science, fine arts, and language arts. Come along with me. All right, so our sight words for this week is to, want, we, you. I'm going to read it again. To, want, we, you. Now listen, I have no picture for you to show, so you need to listen to the story. The story for the week is If You Want a Pet. Now, do you want a pet? Let's find out from the story. Deb can get a big tan dog. What can Deb get? A big tan dog. A big dog has to get fed. Now that big dog needs some food in its stomach, so the big dog needs to be fed. Ken can get a pet in a bag. Where can Ken get a pet? In a bag. And what do you think that kind of pet can be? You can get a fish in a bag by pouring some water there and you put the little bitty fish in the bag. Now, is wet pet has to get fed. Like we all do, animals also need to be fed. Sam can get a pet cat. What kind of pet can Sam get? A pet cat. A pet cat has to get food. Now all the pets need to get some food to eat. We can sell a pet. Now what can we all sell? A pet. Now I'm going to answer the first question for you. It says, what can Deb get? Let me go back. Deb can get a big tan dog. Now I'm going to write a big tan dog. That is what Deb can get from the story, a big tan dog. And I'm going to put my period here. Now, number 2, what can Ken get? You're going to go back to the story and see what Ken can get. Number 3, what can Sam get? Everybody got different pets, so you need to go back to the story and see what Sam can get. Number 4, what can we sell? Every one of them can sell something in common. Now you need to go back to the story and see what they can all sell, and that is all you need to do for this page.
All right, boys and girls, for language arts, it's going to be all about R. What do we use R for? We can use R for a girl, a lady, a mom. So her is used for a she. Say the word, then write the word. This is R. I'm going to write it right here. So R. So that's what you need to do on that. Then at the bottom right here, it says, write the word are to complete this sentence. So I'm going to read. Meg lost our meetings. I'm going to put right here. Our meetings. Can you see our meetings right here? So on this page, you're going to write the word are to complete each sentence. So I'm going to read. Meg lost are, you're going to put are meetings. Did our dog take them? Question mark. Did our sister take them? So all you need to do right here, put the word are and make sure you read the sentence. Help Meg find our meetings. So right here at the bottom, we're going to find Meg's meeting in the picture and color the picture. So where did you see the meeting? So we're going to look. Is this a meeting? No, this is a hat. You're going to look for meeting and color the meeting beautiful colors.
All right, boys and girls, for Maths, we are going to be adding 0. Remember, when we say 0, it means nothing. That means you don't have anything to count. Now, look at each picture. Add 0 animals. Write how many there are in all. What do you notice happens when you add a 0? It means there is nothing there. Now, the boxes show the animals that are represented by the numbers. Here we have 5 bees. That is why we have the number 5. And here we have 0 bees. That means there is nothing here. But let me count if this is actually 5 bees. Now, go with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is why we have number 5 here and 0. There is no bee. And then we put the answer in the box provided. So we're going to go back and count to put the answer here. So I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 0 is going to give me 5. So you do the same for number 2. We have butterflies, the snail, the worm, the frog, another bee, an ant, and another fly. So you do the same by counting the number of animals, and you leave the spaces here blank and write the answer in the box provided.
All right, boys and girls, for social study, we're going to be learning about how big or small. So what you need to do right here on this page is to look at each picture and circle the big picture. I'm going to do this first one for you. This is a shell. I have a small shell and big shell. So what we need to do right here is to circle a big shell, which is what the instructions said. That's all you need to do on all the pictures provided.
All right, boys and girls, for science, we are still working on our sounds. Now, what am I? We hear different sounds from animals. Can you make the animals and match the sound they make? Now, let's see. Now, the first one is is. You can ask your mom and dad to help you with the words. Is goes to the snake. The snake hisses. So you're going to connect the dots to the snake. And the next one is chip. That is a bird. Chip, 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 chip. You match it to the bird. And meow. That is from the cat. And now I see oink, 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 oink. That goes to the pig. And I hear quack, 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 quack. That goes to the duck right here, and that is all you need to do for this page.